Hi everyone, and welcome to today's broker review. My name's Cameron Bowen, and we are looking at AVA Trade today. So this is actually one of my favourite brokers that I've reviewed recently. We'll go over a few details, and I'll explain to you exactly why. So a bit of the background: they were founded in 2006. Their headquarters are based in Dublin. They've grown to having offices in 11 different countries, and they also, I don't know if you've watched some of my other videos, you'll see that I bring up segregated accounts, and AVA Trade do offer segregated accounts. And the importance of that basically means that your money is separated from their assets, and it means that should, in the unlikely case of insolvency or bankruptcy, happen to AVA, your funds are protected, which is certainly something that I think everyone wants. So a few of the ins and outs. The minimum deposit rate is $100. The smallest spread is 1. As you can see, where is it? Euro dollar down here. You can see that they're very open with all their spreads, so they're all here for you to see. The leverage, the max leverage they offer is 400 to 1, and you can see here they offer micro lots. So again, which is really good for you beginner traders, because you can start small and slowly work your way up in size of trades dependent on your consistency. Now, what do they offer? They offer a lot. They've got FX, CFD, stocks, cryptocurrency, which is a new thing, so it's great that they offer that. Gold, metals, so a lot of the commodities, ETFs. Now, ETFs are basically exchange traded funds. And what that means is, should you want to trade oil but don't actually want to purchase oil, ETFs are basically, they're a fund that will trade a certain amount of stocks based around a commodity. So, for example, they will hold a lot of different stocks relating to oil. So, should oil go up, the likelihood the oil ETF will go up. It basically helps you reduce your risk according to that commodity, which is something I would recommend. Treasuries as well, so you can look to buy government bonds here, which again just adds to diversifying your portfolio. Indices, and then agriculturals. So they do offer a lot of markets here, which is great. Now the support they offer, 24 hours, 5 days a week. So basically, when the FX market is open, they're there to help you out. So they're there from, the markets close on 9 o'clock on Friday, and they reopen again 9 o'clock on Sunday. So that's the period that you get to trade, and they're obviously there 24 hours a day during that period. You get a dedicated account manager and multilingual customer service, both as the customer service and on the website. So you can change the website dependent on your language. They also offer a live chat, which you can see up here. So very easy to get hold of them and very quick for them to solve any problems for you. Now, regarding accounts, they offer 5 different accounts. It's based around the platforms that you can use those accounts on. They all offer tight spreads and fast execution. They also offer, as we saw in my last review, is an Islamic account, which basically is compliant with Sharia law. And the other thing they offer, where is it? It's here, multi-account manager. Now, multi-account manager is a brilliant tool. For those of you who trade and want to trade other people's money, essentially it differentiates all the accounts, but you can trade off one account and it will take the same trade in all of those accounts. So if you had investors, say 10 investors investing in you, they could put all their money into their own account. So you'd have 10 separate accounts. You could trade a completely separate one, and you're ultimately trading those 10 at the same time without having to take 10 separate trades. So obviously, this is definitely a positive if you are looking to expand and trade for a living. Now, I would like to look at some of the extras that they offer. So they offer an excellent education service. So you can see here, explanation of all the indicators, lots of videos here, video tutorials, webinars as well. So these are live webinars where you can ask questions, an ebook, glossary, Sharp Trader as well, which basically is, if you click into it, you'll find technical and fundamental analysis of the markets done for you. So you can have a look. Ideally, you'd like it to line up with yours, and then you can take the trade. They also offer auto chartist function, which automatically maps out your charts for you, as well as an economic calendar. So there's lots of resources, really trying to help you in your trading here, which is, excellent for a broker. Now, with regards to depositing and withdrawing, you can use a credit card, debit card, or wire transfer, or there are several forms of e-payments that you can use. Verification is required, especially if you're using a credit card. You'll need your proof of address and a photo ID. With regards to the platforms, we'll go and have a look at AVA Trade Go in a moment, but you can see they offer MT4, AVA Trade Go, AVA Trade Act, AVA Options. So these four are all manual, but they also offer automatic trading through Mirror Trader, Zulu Trader, and a few others. Today we're going to have a look at one of their platforms. I've actually signed up here, and you can see, so I'm in my account, and I've opened two accounts. I have an AVA Trade Act and I have floating spread. So this one is done through MT4 and this one is their web trader. So we'll have a look at that one now. Log in, yeah. Okay, so you can see here we've got all the markets that we want to look to trade, as well as here, so your positions, your orders, your closed positions. This is about it. You'll do an analysis on another charting platform if you wanted. This is simply just to be able to take a trade, but it's very simple, it's very easy. You can see you can take the trade and it's it. That's all you need to know. If you wanted to do more analysis, you can try it on an MT4 one. So if we were to open that, then we've got the web version of MT4. So those of you who use MT4, you'll see it's got pretty much all the same function that you get on the downloadable version. Now, this is definitely one of my favorite brokers. I would highly recommend it, and I would recommend opening an account. To do so, there is a link below. Please click that. It will take you straight to the correct page. If you have any questions for me, please do write them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get to them in the next video or just comment back. If you have enjoyed this video, please click subscribe to never miss a video again. But for the moment, we'll wrap that up. Just before I go, this is one of my favorite brokers, so do open an account with them if you are looking to trade. But yeah, we will call that a day. Thank you very much.